There's a demon in the house today. Woohoo! That shit is beautiful. That shit is beautiful. That shit is gorgeous. I'm gonna need to hear that little thing. Might have to cut up a little bit, but I don't know if my tires are doing so good. And my shit is bumpy too. But that demon goes crazy. You don't really see demons out all that often. So to see one out here in Danville today, it's a good reason I came out. Man, that shit, oh my god. Should I get a run in with him? I don't even have my track pack on, that's the problem. Make sure we got no cars on the way. Demon. I really need to hear that thing go. And we got a GTI to my left. Oh, he's dipping. No! Oh man. Hey, at least I got to see one though. At least I got to see one. At least I got to see one. There he goes. Short-lived. No running. Oh, there was a KA band reading and a Ferrari to our left. Now the only thing is there really a cop up ahead or not? Or was it just a false alarm? I don't know if you guys, I'm windows up for less wind noise, but Ferrari up ahead. He was coming in hot. Hopefully we get some action before I gotta take my exit again. Man. Oh, he's going right. He kinda got cut up. About to find out. Oh, he's going all the way right. Is he taking an exit, man? If he's exiting, it's all bad, I swear. Or is there some, oh man, or is there some danger lurking that I don't see yet? Just be, oh no, he's going, no, is he going to Lafayette? I'm going towards Concord, I think. Damn, he's going back to the city. Crazy. There he goes. God. Man. Another one taking their exit, great.